Hey, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys how I apply these soft gel tips. I did purchase these from Amazon, so they're a dupe, and I absolutely love them. So first things first, I've already prepped my nails off camera, so right now I'm coming in with the base gel, and I cured them for 60 seconds. So the last time I was trying to struggle with finding out really how to use this solid glue. So this time around, I think I figured it out. I watched like 50,000 videos from Betsy, I think it is. And I'm actually going to try out theirs next because I feel like there's the different consistency. Because the Makartt one is kind of rubbery even after it cures, but it's sturdy. So I don't know how to explain it, but when you get it, you'll see. So anyways, this time around, I applied less of the glue. I didn't use like a super big glob, and then I applied it midway through my nail and then slid it back. Once I slid it back close to my cuticle, that's when I pressed it down flat, and I use my fingernail and just go right around the edge and get off the excess before I cure. So once again, let me show you guys, I scooped a lot less than last time. If you watched my last video, y'all, I was scooping up a ton. So I scooped up less, and this time I feel like the nails laid so much flatter. I had a huge gap last time underneath my nails. I didn't experience that this time. So I just kind of slid it back, and then I press it down, and then I clean up around the cuticle. Y'all, this is so easy. I absolutely love these. I'm normally an acrylic girl or polygel, but y'all, I may have switched on over. So I will make sure that I link everything in the description box because I really like this process. It's super, super quick. I'm going to get some different shapes and stuff because I do want to try out different lengths. I absolutely love long nails, but when I'm doing hair, this is a no-go, so it kind of slows me down. I still can do it. It just slows me down. So after I applied all the nails, I cured them for 60 seconds, and I'm coming in with my EFile. This is my favorite EFile. It is portable from Melody Susie. Y'all even got a coupon code, you know. So anyways, I come in with this bit, and I clean up around the cuticles just in case I have any extra little glue. I love this bit because it gets right up in there, and it easily gets the glue off. You can see it just coming off. That's actually like the glue, guys. That stuff flying away. So it just really I don't know, y'all. It's pretty cool. I really like this. So once I'm done with that, then I come in with my standing bit, and then I file over the entire surface of the nail lightly. I use a medium. I think it's a medium, but I do that so that way I can have a smooth surface to work with. Don't mind the black stuff on my nails. These are super sharp, and before I file them, they're always getting caught on my paper. So next I'm coming in with this gel polish. I really like this color. It's just very sheer. I want to find this color that is not sheer. That is not sheer. I can't even talk. I want the same color, but I want it where it's opaque because I love this as a base color. It is beautiful, but I do definitely think I need to find the opaque version of this. So I end up doing 2 coats on these nails to just kind of have them not be so clear for my nail design. So all week I had my mind set on using this color. Was so excited for the weekend so I can get to it. And this color is so old, y'all. This gel polish probably about 5-6 years old, okay? And it just had marbled, it had separated, it was like swirls. I kept mixing it and shaking it, and it just was not giving the color it used to give. So I was like, maybe I'll add a little white to it just to give it like a little bit more brightness, I'm guessing, but it just wasn't giving what I was in my head. Like in my head, I knew what this was gonna look like, and this ain't it. So after I looked at it a couple more times, I was like, nah. I went ahead and cleaned all that off. And then I really love black. I mean, I really just like blackity black nails, like solid black nails. I love a matte black nail. So I was like, don't be boring. So I came in with a glossy matte today, and instead of just doing my full nail, I kind of did like a little swirly design, nothing fancy. The same design you just saw me do, but I just came back and did it in black. And with this gel polish, I got this from Nail Supply Glamour. It's local, it's here in Houston. I love their gel polishes because their consistency is amazing. You can use it for anything, and majority of their colors are one coat. Sometimes you get some colors that are a little sheer, but they'll let you know that they're sheer. So I cure these for, I think, 3 minutes because black is tough. So I was like, nah, still not giving. So I was like, let me try to add like a little line here with some white. And it just still wasn't giving. So I kept adding more and more lines. And then I randomly got a design. So yeah, I'm just going to let y'all watch me work. So yeah, y'all don't mind the shaking. That is my daughter, okay? She's always in the background doing some unnecessary stuff. She is just shaking my table, trying to be funny, making my squiggles, but whatever. So I went ahead and I just kind of went with the shape that the nail was already kind of going in, and I just kept adding more and more lines. And then I cured this. I feel like I'm kind of out of the practice of working with gel paint, so I've been trying to put myself back out there again because my hand used to be super steady, and now my hand is just shaky, and then it doesn't help that my daughter's shaking the table either. So I applied this, and then I cured these for a good 3 minutes because I am over not curing my nails properly and having those ugly bubbles. And then I come in with my Makartt top coat. I did want to do these nails in matte, and I actually was out of matte top coat. So I ordered one, and I was like, you know what? This actually probably is cuter in gloss anyway. So it is what it is. So this is my shiny top coat. I'm applying it. I do cure this for another 60 seconds as well. And I just kind of clean up around so I don't lose my shape. So, yep, y'all, that's it. This is the set. Let me know what you think of this random set that I did. And thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.